Hello viewers, every trader needs to know how to assess the strength of a given trend and asset. As a trader, having a good understanding of technical analysis is mandatory. This is simply because you will use technical indicators to predict the price action of the financial asset. In this video, we will look at the Aroon indicator and how you can use it in the financial market. The Aroon oscillator is a 2-in-1 technical indicator that will help you correctly identify reversals and their strengths and weaknesses. If you have been day trading for a while, you have probably experienced that the price of a stock or security mostly stays within a range where the price moves impulsively. The price trends up or down only a small percentage of the time during trading hours. The Aroon indicator was developed in a way that it can anticipate when the price action of a security is changing from a range-bound state to a trending state, so that you can establish a long or short position. It can also indicate when the price action of a security is likely to stop trending and start consolidating. Friends, when it comes to day trading, strategies based on the Aroon indicator are some of the best you can apply to make quick profits in the markets. Aroon is one of the handful of technical indicators that can help you to achieve consistent success with trend trading, as well as trading within a range. The Aroon is an indicator that determines whether a financial asset is trending or not, and how strong the trend is. The Aroon indicator is composed of two lines. An up line which measures the number of periods since a high, called Aroon up line, and a down line which measures the number of periods since a low, called Aroon down line. The Aroon up and Aroon down indicators signal the start of a new trend. Aroon up above 70 indicates a strong uptrend, and Aroon down above 70 indicates a strong downtrend. When the oscillator moves above the zero line, the Aroon up is crossing above the Aroon down and the price has made a high more recently than a low, a sign that an uptrend is beginning. When the oscillator moves below zero, the Aroon down is crossing below the Aroon up. A low occurred more recently than a high, which could signal that a downtrend is starting. Now we will see how Aroon indicator warns about the trend. Aroon up below 50 warns that the uptrend is weakening and Aroon down below 50 signals that the downtrend is weakening. So finally, traders can use technical indicator Aroon for: first, identifying new trends, uptrending or downtrading; second, identifying range zone and consolidations; third, assessing the strength of the trends; and last, anticipate market reversals. Now let's see this strategy in trading market, but before going forward be sure to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more knowledgeable videos like this. When the Aroon up line is close to the 100 level, and the Aroon down line is close to the 0 level, then the market is in a strong bullish trend. Conversely, when the Aroon down line is close to the 100 level, and the Aroon up line is close to the 0 level, then the market is in a strong bearish trend. And in a sideways market, Aroon indicator looks like this. You can see parallel lines of Aroon up and Aroon down. Trading signals can be obtained from Aroon crossovers. Crossovers of the two Aroon indicators, either the Aroon up indicator making a bullish crossover above the Aroon down indicator, or the Aroon down indicator making a bearish crossover to above the Aroon up indicator, are generally interpreted as trend change or market reversal signals. The key levels you need to watch on the Aroon indicator are 80 and 20. Would you like to know how to tell if the price is trending up? You just have to wait for the Aroon up line to move above the level 80. If you find the Aroon down line is staying below level 20 at the same time, it would confirm the bullish trend in the market. If you find the Aroon indicator in this situation, you should definitely look to place a buy order. When you find that the Aroon up or Aroon down lines have reached level 100, you should always keep an eye on the market and try to protect your profits by moving the stop loss closer to the price. This is because the Aroon lines at level 100 indicate that the market has been trending for too long and might be overbought or oversold, and the price may start a counter move very soon. Now look at this chart, as we can see that bullish crossover just happened, and our Aroon up is trading at 100 levels, so we will take buy trade here, but don't you got a confusion to where to take a entry. So, we will add another indicator to make our trade clear. Because do remember, never trade against the trade, so we will add 200 EMA along with it. Now after adding 200 EMA to the same chart, we can clearly see where to take buy trade, so we will take buy trade at this candle by putting stop loss at nearest swing low and profit target to 2 times of our stop loss. Let's see what happens to our trade. As you can see, our trade comes to an end being profitable. Similarly, for sell trade, look at this chart, as we can see bearish crossover happened, and price is also coming below to 200 EMA, and our Aroon down is reached at 100 level. So we got a confirmation from both indicators about downtrend, so we will take sell trade at this candle by putting a stop loss at a high of our entry candle, and profit target to 2 times of our stop loss. Let's see what happens to our trade. As you can see, our trade comes to an end being profitable. Now let's take more examples of buy and sell trade, which will clear all your doubts regarding our Aroon indicator. Look at this chart. As you can see, bullish crossover took place and our Aroon up reached at 100 level, but the price is very close to 200 EMA, so we will wait for price to take some distance from 200 EMA, and for more safe side you can wait for some green candles which will lead price to an uptrend. So, at this candle we will take buy trade, and you can put a stop loss at below to your entry candle, and if you wish you can put profit target to 2 times of your stop loss. So, let's see what's happening to our trade. As you can see, our trade comes to an end being profitable. Now let's see sell signal. Now look at this chart. As you can see, previously price touched 200 EMA, and just reversed 2 times. Just after 2 to 3 candles, so we will wait for price to come down to 200 EMA, at least 6 to 8 candles, and after price downwards journey, we will also require negative crossover in our Aroon indicator, and our Aroon down to reached at 100 level. So, at this candle both our conditions fulfilled, so we become alert for sell trade. Now watch carefully for our entry candle. So, as you can see, price is below to 200 EMA, and our Aroon down is at 100 level, so we got confirmation for sell trade, so we will take sell trade at this candle by putting stop loss at a high of our entry candle, and your profit target would be 2 times to your stop loss. As you can see, your profitable trade comes to an end. And as you can see, there is a good gap between our Aroon up and our Aroon down, and price is below to 200 EMA, which again confirms the strong down trade. So, if you wish you can put your profit targets to 3 times to your stop loss. As you can see, your 3 times profit target also achieved. But 2 times profit target is good enough for us. Friends, I hope you got an accurate and enough knowledge about our Aroon indicator. So, if you like the video, just smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more knowledgeable videos. And feel free to leave any questions or comments below.